After 3 days of gruesome training under former world #1 men's doubles Mathias Boe, I am now ready to take everything I've learned and destroy him. We're going to be playing best of 3, 15 points, 8-point intervals, and just watch. I'm a new man now.
Okay, Akim, we won last time, so let's repeat that. Let's try and do that where we get out of the service situation well, so we get the attack, so we can get your pace, and I see if I can intercept from there. Okay,
ready?
Let's do it.
Oi. Two! Let's go!
I noticed that their weakness is they don't move very well, and also when you hit in between them, they don't know who to get because they have no partnership. Also, one right hand, one left hand. So I feel like we need to move them quickly, get on attack, and put them in weird positions.
Nice.
Sorry. Nervous, a little bit nervous.
Yes.
Two! Oi. I got big smash on our team. Whew. Yes. Hey. No. Ooh. Good try. Two. Nice. Good speed. Changing the partner, changing the game.
Aye.
Two.
Ooh.
Oh.
Where are you going, Suraj? Stay on court.
Because his receive is so good, we should do the service calls.
Yeah.
So you want to do it?
Yeah.
So let's do like 1, 2, and flick is 3. Just simple?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do.
Nice. Ooh, lucky. Man, Suraj is a beast, though. We do have to play a little bit smarter. Go. Sorry. My bad. Nice. Hey. Good attack. Let's go. Man, I got Suraj the beast here. That's out? 5-6. What is that face? Hey, come on. Mine.
So.
Oh, shit. Yeah, easy one, my bad.
So more thinking while playing. Last few points has been really good. It's not about the pace, it's about like where they place and then try and do something that really hurts them. Yeah, really good.
Actually, we have to reduce the speed of the game a little bit because now we are going for a lot of time instead of just doing half smashes. I will suggest like little bit, slow down the game and more blocks instead of just more blocks and
Yeah, all right, let's go.
Two. There we go. Come. Yeah, that's what we want.
Active on the feet, active on the
control.
feet.
Yes. Nice. Go. Yes. Up.
Yours. What's all?
Sorry. Nice. Hey! Yes. Control. Nice. Oh, good try. Ooh, nice. Good.
In.
My mistake, my mistake. Wow. Yes, okay. Okay, you have to really get ready. Out, 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 out. Control, control. Yes. Yes. Oh. 2. Nice.
All right, my ball.
Nice. Good. This. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait.
Playing to you.
Nice. Good shot. Oh, slow. Yes. Up. Hey! Hey, my bad. Bad control, sorry. Okay. Yeah! Good shot. 3-2.
Nei. Nice.
Control. Yes. Ooh,
Nice,
good shot.
lifting.
Yeah. Hey! That's slow. Go. Yeah, slow.
Right now I feel we're losing most of our points on serve and receive. And I'm making a mistake because I'm not committing enough. So on serve and receive, let's all just commit to what we're trying to hit.
Okay.
And then I feel like a lot of the times we don't need to be using strength. We just get the high, hit the slow, and then try and win it, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
You. I didn't cover.
Nice.
You. Watch. Bump. Oh.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, nice.
Okay. Yes. Control. Yes. Come on. You. Ready? Go. Yes. Watch.
Just
Watch where you're hitting.
Cross it. Yeah.
Come on. Okay, control. Go, good net. Yes. Wow.
Nice shot.
Let's go.
Oh! Umpire.
Let's go. YouTube badminton. 2. Let's go.
Okay, we're prepared for the flick now.
My bad. I knew that was coming. Sorry. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
First of all, I hope you were entertained with a decent match, some good rallies, like a lot of sweat on our foreheads now. So one takeaway that I feel is very important from this match is here, that you were trying to, some of the things that we worked on, you were really trying to do that. You were doing the sign when you were communicating in terms of that. That is good. Obviously, you're not partners, so you could have done that pre the match. Also, if we had more time and it was a tournament, you would sit and do this. You're not afraid of executing and trying and doing it. And the most important thing is that from this, you can see they didn't succeed in doing it. And maybe even your level dropped a little bit, because what happened is that when you start planning something, you're more focused on that and not so much on also the important stuff about moving the feet and be in position for the next one. It's all like the energy is going into planning. And then you stand a little still on the next one, or not like in a position to play it. So even though that you would say like, hey, maybe your game dropped a little in the second set, it's just a step to becoming better. And these steps that you're doing like that need to be able and okay with lowering your level a little bit in order to try and elevate to the next level. Because if you were just playing randomly, maybe it would have been a little bit tighter, the score, but then it would have just been like, you would never be able to overtake us. It would still be the same. So this is really important lesson for everyone there. Don't be afraid of experimenting at practice with some of these things that you've seen in this video, because in the long run, this is what it takes to take the next step.
I hope you guys enjoyed this masterclass of a match and also a lesson. I'm pretty sure you're never gonna get this level of badminton knowledge anywhere else. So please support our videos and this channel and our series by liking, commenting, subscribing, and also following Mathias' channel over here.